Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to discuss a new chapter from class 9th NCERT, and our chapter is the fundamental unit of life. In this chapter we will cover different topics like what is cell, what is the discovery of cell, what is cell theory, different shapes of the cell, different sizes of the cell, different types of cells, that is prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cells. Then we will discuss some basic terms like what is glycocalyx, what is cell wall, what is plasma membrane or cell membrane, what is protoplasm, cytoplasm, cytosol, plasmodesmata and middle lamella. We will also cover different types of cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, ribosome, spherosome, centrosome, vacuole, peroxisome, glyoxysome, lomasomes, chloroplast like chromoplast, leucoplast, many more cell organelles. In case of prokaryotic cell, like what is mesosome, what is chromatophores, clear? And what is plasmid, what is episome. And here in this chapter we are going to discuss first what is the meaning of cytology. See, cytology means the branch of biology which deals with the study of structure and function of cell. साइटोलॉजी में हम सेल के स्ट्रक्चर और उसके फंक्शन के बारे में स्टडी करते हैं. Then it is the cytology. Cytology means the branch of biology which deals with the study of structure and function of cells. That is the cytology. Father of cytology, that is Robert Hooke. Clear? Father of modern cytology, Swanson. And famous Indian cytologist, Professor A.K. Sharma. So these three names are very important. Father of cytology, Robert Hooke. Father of modern cytology, Swanson. And famous Indian cytologist, Professor A.K. Sharma. See, what is the meaning of cell? What is cell? As we know that the word cell is derived from the Latin word cellula, which means a small, tiny, compartment-like structure, a small chamber-like structure, a small, tiny, room-like structure, or honeycomb-like structure. That means cells are the porous structure. That means chamber-like, room-like, or honeycomb-like structure. Clear? This is the literal meaning of the cell. What is the definition of cell? See, cell is the basic or fundamental structural and functional unit of body of living organism or life. सेल जो है वो ऑर्गेनिज्म के बॉडी का फंडामेंटल और बेसिक स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट होता है. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फंडामेंटल स्ट्रक्चरल यूनिट? फंडामेंटल स्ट्रक्चरल यूनिट का मतलब है कि ऑर्गेनिज्म का बॉडी डिफरेंट टाइप्स के सेल्स से बना हुआ है. क्लियर? इफ वी टेक एग्जांपल फॉर ह्यूमन बॉडी, our body is made up of more than 200 different type of cells. That's why cells are the basic structural unit of our body. Clear? Suppose एक room है and that room is made up of mainly bricks, cements, rod. So bricks, cements and rods are the structural unit of a room. Same way our body is made up of different type of cells, or the body of different living organism made up of different type of cells. So cells are the basic or fundamental structural unit. And what is the meaning of basic functional unit of body? It means all the life process, all the vital activities, all the life supporting actions taking place inside the cell are with the help of cells. जितने भी लाइफ सपोर्टिंग प्रोसेस है, वाइटल एक्टिविटी है, लिविंग प्रोसेस है, सब कहाँ पे हो रहा है? सेल में हो रहा है या विद द हेल्प ऑफ सेल्स हो रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई सेल्स आर द बेसिक और फंडामेंटल functional unit of body of living organism or life. Clear? So that is the meaning of cell is the basic or fundamental structural and functional unit of body of living organism. Fundamental structural means our body is made up of different type of cells. That's why it is the fundamental structural unit. And functional unit means what? All the vital activity life process taking place inside the cell with the help of cell. That's why cell is the basic functional unit of body. Next we will see what is cell theory, how the cell discovered. Cell की discovery किस तरह से हुई. So cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. 1665 में रॉबर्ट हुक ने डेड सेल को सबसे पहले डिस्कवर किया. सो द फर्स्ट सेल वाज द फर्स्ट डिस्कवर्ड सेल वाज द डेड सेल. और रॉबर्ट हुक ने कहां से डेड सेल को डिस्कवर किया? फ्रॉम द बॉटल कॉर्क. बॉटल कॉर्क का क्या मतलब है? बॉटल कॉर्क का मतलब है डेड एंड ड्राइड piece of wood, and this dead and dried piece of wood taken from the quercus plant, that is the oak plant. See, रॉबर्ट हुक ने सबसे पहले एक डेड एंड ड्राइड पीस ऑफ वुड लिया, उसका वेरी थिन सेक्शन और स्लाइस कट किया, और कट करने के बाद उस सेक्शन या स्लाइड को सेल्फ मेड प्रिमिटिव माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर सेट किया. एंड then he observed, when he observed, he saw many tiny honeycomb like structures are there, and he called these units as the cell. When he saw the thin section of bottle cork, many tiny honeycomb like structures or porous structures seen, and he called these units as the cell. So in this way the discovery of cell takes place. And the first discovered cell by Robert Hooke was the dead cell. And Robert Hooke published his work, his research in a book known as the Micrographia. Robert Hooke ने अपने सेल डिस्कवरी को माइक्रोग्राफिया नाम के बुक में पब्लिश किया. क्लियर? इसके बाद in 1674 एंटोनी वॉन ल्यूवेनहॉक ने फ्री लिविंग सेल को डिस्कवर किया फ्रॉम द पॉन्ड वाटर. क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट डिस्कवर्ड सेल that is the by Robert Hooke, and that was the dead cell. And after this, in 1674, cell was discovered, that is the living cell discovered from the Antony von Leeuwenhoek. Clear? In next video we will discuss what is cell theory, different type of shape of the cell, different sizes of the cell, and types of cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic.